Hey guys, Donnie D here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another video for you. Stay tuned. Here we go. Alright guys, here we go. So you're here because you want to know, why would you want tile in your space? What's the benefit for it? So today I'm going to explain to you from my point of view and just a general senses, why tile is the best floor covering you can have in your home, period, end of story, okay? Number one, durability. Tile will outlast everything out there. Believe it or not, properly installed tile installations will last 50 years. Let me say it again. 50 years, guys, you could get out of a tile installation when done properly. What other floor covering out there can you do that with? Can you do it with carpet? No. Can you do it with luxury vinyl plank, which is so popular, which is plastic? You want plastic on it for your floors? Be my guest. You're gonna get about 5, maybe 10 years out of it. They get scratched up, so on and so forth. So this is why you see tile in a lot of high-end places, okay? That's number one. Number two, it is clean. Basically, it's clean. Tile is very, very hygienic surface. Since it's basically less than 1%, porosity, it doesn't collect dust or bacteria. This is why you see this in bathrooms everywhere that you go. There's tile there, okay? Because you can't just get stuff on it and then you can't clean it. It's a very hygienic surface in every sense of the word, okay? Number three, value, okay? The value of the space that you install the tile in it is going to go way, 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 way up, way more. Again, this is why high-end hotels, homes, etc., places that you go to have tile in it. It's bottom line, it is a luxury floor covering. Bottom line is you pay once, and as a lot of people say, you cry once. So you make the investment once and it's going to last you for many, many years to come. Okay, number four, tile. Again, back to durability. Tile is stain proof, scratch proof, and fire resistant, okay? That is amazing if you ask me. So, all right. Number five. Tile is a low maintenance and easily cleaned with zero restrictions and will not damage from cleaning services. It's safe and 99.9% natural. So, again, now that said, grout does get messed up from certain cleaning solutions. Anytime you clean grout, you want to use a natural base cleaner, no harsh chemicals, right? But the tile itself will not be affected, okay? I'll give you an example. In my home, we have some linoleum on the hallway because, that's what the wife wanted. I wanted to put tile there, but we do have it in the hallway. And the kids come out the tub and they splash around. Next thing you know, there's more water on the floor. And then somehow it gets outside the bathroom onto linoleum there. The water gets under it. Linoleum is basically cardboard and plastic, and the whole thing swells up. So it's not the best surface there for water. You get water on tile. This is again why it's in all bathrooms. It doesn't get affected by pretty much anything. It's going to be a long-lasting product to use in your home. So again, you pay once, you cry once. It's an investment. That's how you look at it. I tiled most of my house. I'm actually recording this right now, right here in my office, and I pretty much tiled the entire office, the whole floor and up the walls, about 4 feet going around the whole thing. Because I know my kids come in here, they whack the walls, whatever. It's not going to break, damage, get nothing like that. Now you can chip the tile, but you're not going to break it that easy. So better than just sitting with the drywall or some molding that could get dented. Tile is going to be the most durable you could pretty much use in this space. So I hope this video helped you guys. That's my top 5 reasons why you want tile. Thanks again guys for tuning in. Donnie D signing off.